Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account after new update here. So first of all, you need to open your Facebook account here, then go to the three-line menu in the right corner, tap on the three-line menu, then you just have to go down and find the settings and privacy option, tap on settings and privacy, then tap on settings here. After opening the settings here, you will see under the Meta Account Center, see more in Account Center. So tap on see more on Account Center, and this will show you the Account Center option. And here in the under the accounts here, you'll find the personal details option here. So tap on personal details here, and under the identity confirmation you will see account ownership and control here. Tap on account ownership and control, and here you'll find deactivation or deletion option here. So just tap on that, then choose the account that you want to deactivate here, and then you just have to choose the deactivate account here. Then you just have to tap continue, and here deactivation account, Facebook account means if you have any page under that account, your page will also be deactivated here. So you just have to tap continue here, and then you just have to give your password of the account here, and then tap continue, and this will show you to deactivate your account. So this is how you can deactivate your account after the new update in Facebook here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.